Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Been some time, been a lot of time actually. I don't even remember last video कब आया था. And that's because time नहीं मिल रहा है. Seriously time नहीं मिल रहा है because of my job. Plus I have some other things to figure out. And the most important thing, चलो work and all चलो ठीक है, that's fine. I'm not even able to record यार because of this weather. Pune weather has been so wet these days na. It is continuously raining. Continuously. I'm carrying my camera every day with me in the hopes कि चलो आज बारिश नहीं होगी so I'll be able to vlog. लेकिन बारिश हो ही जाती है. And that too when I'm about to leave my office, huh? Okay. Check both sides here, please. She's carrying a baby here. I mean, I know कि स्लो डाउन भी होना होता है. ऐसा नहीं कि पेडिस्ट्रियन आ गया बीच में तो I have the right to just keep on moving. Still, check both sides, please. So right now ऐसे randomly निकल गया हूँ. I have no agenda, nothing to do. I'll just go to FC Road. कुछ खाने का मन किया तो खाऊंगा and then I'll be back. That's it. I just want to record something and post it. And good news for me and for the viewers, if there is any consistent viewer, I have bought a SD card, the SanDisk Extreme Pro 256GB, and that's giving me about 4 hours and 50 minutes of record time continuously. So that's great. I don't have to turn on and off the camera like I did on my Lonavala ride. Now I can record continuously without any hassle. Nice. And DJI just launched the Mini 3, so I'm hoping to get one. Just the transmitter, I won't be needing the receiver. I don't have a camera for it. Actually, I'm not sure whether the receiver plugs into the Osmo. I'll check a video about it. But getting that mic will be so helpful. Yeah, the camera itself is waterproof, but because of this mic adapter sticking out, I can't use it during rains. So that it will be such a great help. I have to make a habit of clearing the lens once in a while. Are these gloves going to damage them? है तो leather ही. अरे यार, I forgot to inform at home. चलो मम्मी का कॉल आएगा तो बोल दूँगा. I'm regretting it so much यार. अगर और थोड़ा सा रुक जाता yeah, exactly like 1 month. So ये launch हो जाता, I could have bought this instead. Same price, huh? Like on Amazon, 54,990. I bought the Action 5 Pro also on the same price. I could have bought that instead. 360-degree camera, you can record like 8K on 50 FPS, 106GB of internal storage. और क्या चाहिए? Very tempted to get that as well. लेकिन of course पैसा. अभी माइक ले लेते हैं, कैमरा बाद में देखेंगे. I have to keep in mind maintain distance because मेरा posture ऐसा है बाइक का. अगर मैं थोड़ा सा भी नहीं, कितना एक बाइक जितना डिस्टेंस मेंटेन नहीं करूँगा तो सामने वाली गाड़ी का सारा कीचड़ पानी मेरे पे आ जाता है. वैसे आई डोंट माइंड, लेकिन अभी कैमरा लगा है सो I hope everything is visible better, because for the first time I remembered to turn on the super night mode. देखते हैं इसका फुटेज कैसा आता है. I'm planning to go on a solo ride to Siagar Fort. It's not very far from here. I'll be going on Monday. I hope so. And this time of the year, though, it will be very beautiful. I'll be editing and posting it today itself, because क्या होता है ना कि अगर मैं एडिट आज नहीं करूँगा तो फुटेज पड़ा का पड़ा ही रह जाता है. एंड व्हेन द टाइम कम्स टू एडिट, आई एम लाइक यार ये तो ओल्ड फुटेज हो गया, चलो कुछ नया रिकॉर्ड करके डालते हैं. देन द साइकिल कंटिन्यूज. सो ये भी एक हैबिट रखना होगा कि जिस दिन रिकॉर्ड करो उसी दिन एडिट करो, पोस्ट करो. थोड़ा एफर्ट लगेगा लेकिन कर लेंगे. लफड़ा. मैं नहीं करूँगा वैसा, लाइक दोस अदर व्लॉगर्स. कुछ दिखा झगड़ा होते हुए, गाड़ी साइज में लगाई, रिकॉर्डिंग चालू. आई वोंट डू डैट भाई. आई नो इट इज़ गुड कंटेंट, लेकिन आई एम वेरी सोशली, यू नो, इफ़ यू नो यू नो. थोड़ा लेंस क्लियर करते हैं. आई होप से क्लियर ही हो रहा है और गंदा नहीं हो रहा. आई थिंक आई हैव एक्सप्लेन दिस बिफोर. इस पैच पे देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ऐसे बस स्टैंड्स एंड ऑल, एंड प्रीवियसली देयर यूज्ड टू बी ओनली 2 एंट्री एंड 2 एग्जिट्स. लेकिन नाउ ऑन द सेम पैच मल्टीपल एंट्रीज एंड एग्जिट्स कर दिए हैं. सो बसेस कहीं से भी यू टर्न लेना चालू कर देते हैं, घुसना चालू कर देते हैं, निकलना चालू कर देते हैं. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ डैट इट क्रिएट्स अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रैफिक लाइक दिस. आई थिंक प्रीवियसली ये एरिया कवर्ड नहीं था बस स्टैंड्स में. नाउ ये भी एक बस स्टैंड हो गया. सी, ही इज ट्राइंग टू टेक अ यू टर्न. Come on, yaar. No one would do this, at this point of time. Without any agenda, ऐसे निकल जाना towards FC Road. Very dumb decision. The amount of traffic you will face. You're lucky I'm recording it. You don't have to face this. Do you want to explain to your wife, your girlfriend and your parents कि आप ऑफिस के बाद लेट क्यों आते हैं? Just show them my video. They will understand that after how much struggle you reach home. You're welcome. Again थोड़ा सा लेंस वाइप, बिकॉज आई थिंक थोड़ा सा पानी तो गिरा था. लो, level 2 begins. JM Road, where the road is good but the traffic is not. I think I almost hit that guy, yaar. The guy behind me, this guy. Thankfully he stopped. My mistake. मैंने बिना देखे टर्न ले लिया था लेफ्ट. Thank you. Now I'm considering कि यार FC रोड से ही वापस जाना will be a bit too short of a ride. कोथरूड तक जाऊँ क्या? कोथरूड लेकिन बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, उतना टाइम भी नहीं है. FC रोड इट इज़. चलो, आई विल प्रॉमिस इन दिस व्लॉग कि आई विल गो टू सियागढ़ रोड ऑन मंडे. Another video done. I'll start early morning because I also have some work to do. It's red now. एकदम आगे खड़े हो जाएंगे. My natural instinct is to take a left because कोथरूड में मेरा कॉलेज था, so automatically I take a left. I have to remember to take a right. Nice. Wow. So happy यार, बारिश नहीं हुई. वापस जाते समय बारिश हो जाए, आई डोंट केयर. सो थैंकफुल कि टिल हियर बारिश नहीं हुई. KFC गणेश जी, KFC गणेश जी. नाइस. शुड आई गो इनसाइड? कैसे, लेकिन बाइक कहाँ पार्क करेंगे? पार्किंग है ही नहीं. Can I squeeze through? Can I squeeze through? I can. Yes, I can. ओह, प्रॉपर एंट्रेंस. हाँ, खर्चा हुआ है इसमें. कम ऑन. नाइस. I think I'll be able to record 2 videos on Monday. First, the ride to Siagarh and back, and another as a normal city vlog. Let's see. That would be great. अगर एक ही दिन में 2 वीडियोस निपट जाएं. Another one. Did I jump a signal? I hope I did not. Another one. Nice. हाँ, कर दे, जैम कर दे. And the wipe. I think habit हो गई है मुझे. Whoa. Whoa. What the fuck? Whoa. भाई क्या कर रहा है? Nice. वो क्या कर रहा था यार? Red है, I should stop like a good citizen. Let's hope कोई उड़ाना था पीछे से. The only thing left to eat after the signal is ice cream. And ice cream का मन नहीं है मुझे. Unnecessary. Still fun though. Also, I have gotten used to the weight of the helmet now. So It's manageable. Was it red यार? अच्छा, यहाँ से भी अच्छा ये तो चालू ही था. Oh. Oops. I've gotten used to the weight of the helmet, and also I've gotten used to this tinted visor. The Exo one is not as tinted as other brands. Like my friends have SMK helmets, and their tinted visor is way dark than mine. Like I am able to see clearly at night, and they have to keep their visor open. But there has a, what do you call it? Their helmets have a pin lock attachment. I can't attach it to mine. Strange, but okay. And is it fogging up too much? But it is fogging up a bit, slight bit, manageable. That's the perfect bike for Indian roads. Expulse. Like मेरा भी मन करता है कि एक एक्सपल्स होनी चाहिए so that you can cover any sort of terrain. But then again I remember कि स्पोर्ट्स बाइक का भी अलग फील है which you won't get in that. It's obvious, but yeah. Like I personally think मैं इसमें भी लद्दाख वगैरह कर लूँगा. There are people who do it. I've seen some videos. It is doable, but it will be hard. Actually, what am I talking about? Like, people have gone with Hayabusas and H2s, dude. R15 क्या ही है? So it is doable. Why to rent a bike? The extra cost and all. Shell. I'll try Shell next time. Another wipe. Let's open the visor because stop and go traffic, and just watch. I'll fast forward this entire bit. How much time it takes me to reach what do you call it? Sangamwadi Road.
If you see me messing up, just give me a grin. I'm just having good time, living life in sin. I'll never be perfect, I always do it wrong.
2,000 years later.
See, like he can go tough terrain, but he can't do this. Be as quick as me, as flickable as me. So both bikes have their merits and demerits. That wasn't full throttle ना, बोलना मत कि 120 भी पार नहीं हो रही है. Traction control is on, plus it wasn't full throttle. I've gotten myself a new balaclava, and this is squeezing my head, dude. Like not just my head, my eyes too. Like जो eyelid है वहाँ पे इतना प्रेशर आ रहा है. आफ्टर आई रिमूव द हेलमेट ना एंड द balaclava, ऐसे चक्कर आना चालू हो जाता है. The older one which I have, that was also board filled, लेकिन वो स्टार्टिंग में भी इतना टाइट नहीं था. This is way too tight. But I like it tight. Another wipe. That was close. This was on the auto wala bhai. Suddenly started swerving to the right. I'm sure I was millimeters away from crashing, huh? वहीं पे लेटा होता और कोई उठाने नहीं आता. That's for sure. Oh. The road is this wide और मैंने वहीं पे घुसाया डायरेक्ट. नहीं, दैट्स बिकॉज ना अगर तुम यहाँ पर चलाओगे ऑन दिस लाइन तो ऐसे व्यू अच्छा आता है ऐसे बिल्डिंग्स का. दैट्स व्हाई. अरे शिट, I was supposed to take a left यार on the last signal. अब तो ट्रैफिक लगेगा on my way back. I have to take the airport road. वहाँ तो ट्रैफिक होता ही है. See, vlogging करने से यही हो रहा है. I am getting sidetracked. Another wipe. चलो, there wasn't any traffic. Nice. Oh. भाई उस ऑटो को टो दे रहा है बाइक से. Amazing. So I'll be ending the video now. Thank you for watching, and like I said, if you want to let your loved ones know like why do you reach home late, then you can just show them this video. They'll understand why do you come late. You're welcome. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.